Welcome back to the shop, everyone. I apologize. As far as the master track saw, excuse me, it went back. I may try that again here at another point. In a nutshell, it had issues. I may do a follow-up video. I did, in the meantime, in the past year, pick up some Master Force routers. We'll talk about that. We'll do a primary video, which I did shoot, but never uploaded. And I do have a follow-up video ready to go. So I'll get that up here the next couple days. I apologize. I've had builds and other things come up in my life. Today, what I just got in was the Bosch reconditioned mrf23evs. I already opened up the box here, so let's open it up. Let's see what we've got. You've got the router here. It's about 11 pounds, half-inch collet. It does have the exclusive trigger lock system. Here in the center, this is the tracks unit for power. It does have fine adjust here, quick adjust, and it does have the safety catch, so if you have this mounted upside down on the table, the motor doesn't come crashing down on you. When we do plug it in, I apologize, I gotta put the phone down here. Yep. I know it's tough to see, and I apologize. You've got two LEDs. It comes with a half-inch collet already installed from the manufacturer. Also in the box here, you've got a 1/4-inch collet, 2 wrenches, 3 screws long enough for a plate, the T-handle for adjusting if you're using this in the router table. I got this from CPO/Amazon for 160 bucks. I am going to do a more comprehensive review on it. I also picked up the reconditioned Bosch combo unit. Hopefully I'll be here next day or two. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Go out and shop and build something, will ya? And remember, in your shop, you're responsible for your own safety.